Boom! Welcome back, everybody. This is The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today we are talking about the difference between the Defy Insidious Junior and Insidious. This is a video that I hope will be helpful to a lot of people who are trying to make a decision about which ones of these fantastic bags to buy. Now, you'll notice, first off, that my Defy Insidious Junior is made out of X-Pac and my Defy Insidious is made out of Dyneema. We're not going to talk about materials in this review, okay? These bags come in all kinds of materials. We're going to be talking about differences in structure, layout, pockets, size, etc. Just know that you can pick the material that speaks to you, and that's the one that'll be available. So I hope that makes sense, but let's not get hung up on I like Dyneema, I like X-Pac. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I need to talk about is size. It is not very easy to figure out the size difference between these bags from the website. So I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough just to show you the difference in the best way that I know how, which is just to hold them up next to each other. So here we go. There we go. Do you see? They are even on this side. They are the same height. Maybe the Defy Insidious has like a centimeter, but that might be just how the material zhooshes up. They look like they're the same height to me. And then you've got on this side about a hand's worth. We don't do exact measurements on this channel. Like, that's not what we're all about. Like, how about this? It's a little bit less than a remote control. Okay? So, that's the difference. You can get the exact dimensions, but practically speaking, take a look. This is the difference between the two. And I'll move it this way so the strap's not in the way. There you go. That is the difference between the two in terms of length. The Defy, obviously, is the larger one, and it is very, very tall. Okay? It's about a third taller, I would say, than the Junior. What do you think? But it's a pretty massive size difference. So it's not that one is just a little bit smaller. The Junior is like a lot smaller. A lot smaller. All right. The next thing we need to talk about is the difference in the pocket layout. The most glaring difference, the biggest difference, is that the Defy has 3 sections of pockets. This back section, which is for tech, it's got kind of a loose, flappy panel back there with some padding on the back. But if you watch my Defy Insidious review, you'll see that I thought that was a little bit deficient in terms of, what we need tech-wise in this modern era. So this back section is massive. Then you have, on the Defy, a really big main compartment with tons of organization. We'll get into that in a second. And then you have a front pocket with 2 slip pockets in it and a little drop section in front. So 3 sections of storage. Now, I lost my microphone, y'all. That was crazy. Midstream. I tell you, these one take videos are crazy. So sorry about that. All right. So on the Defy Insidious Junior, what do you have going on? 2 sections. This section here, which has 2 3-dimensional pockets, and then 1 admin pocket, and then a tech slip sleeve at the back, and then a middle section here, and then the front section, which has 2 slip pockets and a little key attachment point. 3 sections, 2 sections. That's the biggest difference in organization. Now, total pocket count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, massive, 7, plus 3 pencil holders or pen holders. 8, 9. 9 subdivided compartments in the Defy. Total pocket count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1 pencil holder. Okay. not as massive of a difference as it first appeared. Now let's talk about what fits. There's a couple of things I wanted to test fit for you. This is a 14-inch laptop, okay? Just an MSI Creator laptop. Does it fit? Yes, with room to spare. Does it fit? We're just going to use the main compartment here. No. No. Okay? Let's try an iPad Pro 11-inch. Does it fit? Well, absolutely, of course. Does it fit? We're going to use the tech sleeve. Absolutely. No problem at all. Fits fine. Now, an iPad Pro 11-inch in a Magic Keyboard. Does it fit? In the tech sleeve in the back, no problem at all. Does it fit in the Junior, though? In the main sleeve, no problem at all. In the tech sleeve in the back, it takes some jockeying and some slipping, but once you get it in there, it does fit. So it fits, but you have to fuss. Fits but fuss, okay? So, Insidious versus Insidious Junior. Biggest differences. Insidious has 3 subdivided sections, one of which is a laptop compartment, and then it is hella tall compared to the other one, like much longer, much longer. All right, now my thoughts about these two bags. Which one is better? Which one should you get? Well, if you carry anything larger than an 11-inch iPad and you need to carry that with you, you shouldn't get the Junior. You need to get the full size. If you carry something smaller, so let's say an iPad mini or an 11-inch iPad Pro, maybe you should get the Junior because you don't need all the extra space. If you're carrying more than, say, 1 water bottle and a jacket, you're probably going to need the Insidious. The Junior, it's more spacious than it looks. You can check out my review. It's more spacious than it looks, but you don't have tons of extra room. This is a more minimalist carry-focused bag. So, here's a couple of thoughts. I'm 6'2". I'm going to wear these bags at the end of the video for you. I think the Insidious looks a ton better on me. Like a ton better. I don't even think it's close. I think the Insidious Junior looks kind of tiny, and it rides very close to the top of my back, just because of the way that the strap itself is built out. Okay? So that's maybe not the best look, but not everybody is 6'2" and 200 pounds. I get it. So I like the way this bag looks on me a lot better. I'm not talking about the material. I'm talking about the fit of the bag. But actually practically using it, it does carry almost too much stuff. And what do I mean by that? The stuff can kind of flop around inside the bag a little bit because there's not a lot of subdivisions of the main compartments, and the main compartments are just so massive. So it's interesting. Which one would I recommend? Here's what I would say. If you're going to be carrying tech that needs you to get the larger one, you should of course get the larger one. If not, honestly, my recommendation is the Junior. Even though it doesn't look as good wearing it, it's not like it's a bad looking bag. It is a good looking bag. It's just not as much massive cavernous space. So that's my review. I don't think the lack of the pocket on the back is such a big deal unless you have tech that won't fit otherwise. So I hope this is useful. Please let me know if you had questions about these two bags that I did not cover in this comparison. But I like the Dyneema better, just in case you're wondering, than the X-Pack. I think it's gorgeous. I think it feels super fun and super funky. And Again, thank you everybody for the support. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for putting up with my one-take nonsense sometimes when I lose my microphone in the middle of a video. Y'all are the best. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate you, and I will, of course, see you next time. Bye for now.